My name is Don, the founder here at BHuman, and this is BHuman in 5 minutes. AI Studio is currently our main product. It's where you make personalized videos at scale you can send to your audience. We're actually changing your speech in the video so the video is personalized and it all looks real using our groundbreaking AI. When people get these videos, they feel like you just recorded it uniquely for them, so they're blown away, and they take action 4 times more than they would otherwise. Leader lets you send those videos out over LinkedIn, either with connection requests or the messenger. And Persona is our video chatbot that enables you to clone yourself and learn what you know so people can have conversations with you, but you're not actually there. AI Studio is the main product. Let's dive in. It all starts with a template. A template is where you literally say the words you want to change in your script. So for example, hey name, this is Don. I want to talk to you about company. Let's see an example.
Hey name, I just got notified that you signed up for our newsletter. Hey Tony, I just got notified that you signed up for our newsletter. Hey Kishan, I just got notified that you signed up for our newsletter.
Go to create and you'll see there are 3 options to get your template. You can either make your own by hitting my videos, or you can use one of our hundreds of community templates so you don't have to film a thing. These are across every industry and use case you could ever imagine. We also have this in over 12 languages. Before we send this to our audience, we probably want to see a sample. So let's hit preview sample. Let's make a video for Jason. Videos take about 1 to 2 minutes to generate. Our video for Jason is done. Let's check it out.
Hey Jason, I just got notified that you signed up for our newsletter.
Awesome. Cool. Now let's make our own video. Go back to AI Studio. We're going to hit create. And we're going to go to my videos this time. And we're going to create new. Let's name our template. We can record from our computer or upload a video. I'll record from the computer. There's easy mode and there's advanced mode. Easy mode lets you change one variable, the first name, and advanced mode lets you change as many as you'd like. Let's start with easy mode. Now maybe I need help with my script. Well, here's an AI script generator to help you out. Just enter what the script's about and the call to action. Find a script you're happy with and select it. Now this is easy mode. All you have to do is wait for the beep and then start talking. Before we record, a couple of rules. Be far from the camera. No background noise. No bright light. Don't record on a potato. Use your iPhone if you have to. Let's dive in. By the way, headphones are great. How's it going? This is Don from agency.com. I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to hit upload. The video is done uploading, hit finish. Great, this is our template page. Look familiar? We've been here before. Let's see a sample. Our video from Mike is done. Let's check it out.
Hey, Mike.
How's it going? This is Don from agency.com.